It's a challenge, both ethical and expensive. What to do with patients who are finished with treatment but have no place to stay?
By law, they can't be released into the street against their will. For Denver Health, that once meant a patient occupying a bed for 4 years. Obviously, that is not a long-term solution. But as Denver 7's Lance Hernandez reports, they may have found a fix in the form of the old Silverado banking building on Broadway.
The plans are very exciting.
This drab office building once had a fancy office on the top floor. It belonged to one of the directors at Silverado Banking before the S&L crisis. That director was the son of a U.S. president.
When I first came here in 1996, I was on the 9th floor, and that's where Neil Bush's office was. And so I had a very nice office for a fairly short period of time.
Peg Burnett, Denver Health CFO, says the hospital purchased the building for administrative use and now plans to sell it to Denver Housing Authority.
We'll be working with our architectural team to redesign it to create new, modern, energy efficient, healthy apartment units for seniors and for people coming out of being discharged by Denver Health that need continuing care.
That's the innovative part. Denver Health will lease back 14 of those units for patients who have no safe place to go after discharge. Right now, they end up staying in the hospital even if they can't afford to pay.
It costs about $2,700 a day for inpatient care. Our hospital's full. So there are patients who need to be seen at Denver Health who we might not have a room for because that room is occupied by one of these patients.
Burnett says Denver Health will have a case manager to help coordinate care for those patients who move into the units. Ultimately, they'll be placed in other housing. She says it's a win-win.
With 24 years at this organization, this is one of the things that I'm proudest of that we're accomplishing, because the patients will have better services, Denver Health will be better off financially, and it's really part of our overall mission to be able to do this.
Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.
Interesting, makes sense.